Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for Windows 10. In today's video, we'll show you how to add an additional clock to your taskbar's date and time sheet. Adding another time zone can be really useful, especially if you have friends or colleagues in different parts of the world. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Step 2. In the search bar, type Control Panel and click on the result to open it. Step 3. Within the Control Panel window, look for the Date and Time option and click on it. Step 4. A new window will open with various tabs. Click on the Additional Clocks tab. Step 5. Check the box that says Show this clock to enable the additional clock feature. Step 6. Next, select the desired time zone for the additional clock by clicking on the drop-down menu. Step 7. If you want to give the clock a specific name for easier identification, you can enter it in the Enter Display Name field. Step 8. Finally, click on the OK button to save your changes and close the window. And that's it. You've successfully added an additional clock to your taskbar's date and time sheet. Now you can easily keep track of different time zones without any hassle. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.